So what happens in here?
We got letters to learn.
So this is where all the letters learn how to
Make their sound.
make their sound?
Yep. And we're gonna make new sounds.
What? How do you think Grammy is okay if her room has been converted to a factory space?
Yes. We're going to the new room. Let's go. Right this way. Here we go. This is the winter stage. All the winners get up and sound their sounds. The first winner, A. That's their sound. Wait a minute. You're being silly.
Say, see you later.
See you later, Curious George, about the winners. See you later, video. Bye-bye.